Somebody asked like what's the best time to land here? I think between
क्या लिया जा रहा है? ये नहीं लेना, रख दो।
आइया भाई तो कुछ तो लेगी ना मम्मा।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं लेगी, रख दो।
गाइस आज बहुत ठंड है।
आज बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है। कितना टेम्परेचर है?
-30 बहुत ठंड है। एंड वेलकम गाइस टू द व्लॉग।
So नेहा जी,
Hi guys, winter is back with a bang। कड़ाकेदार ठंड है। आज है एक्चुअल रियल सस्कैचुअन विंटर की ठंड।
so hello guys, welcome to another vlog. As you can see, everybody is dressed to the occasion.
Exactly।
Occasion is बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है आज, and we are going to Costco. We have taken you Costco before, but this Costco trip will be different. We'll give you certain tips and tricks regarding. We'll tell you when we go there. It's not about groceries. So if you're wondering, groceries, no. There's something else at Costco that is very good to buy from.
Yes।
So we'll show you that today. But before that, नेहा जी विंटर टिप्स दे दें कि अच्छे से तैयार होके जाना बहुत जरूरी है।
यस गाइस, बहुत अच्छे से तैयार होना। आज एक्चुअल हैवी लेयर्स पहनना आप, जैसे कि वेयर समथिंग अंडरनीथ योर बॉटम लेयर विच इज लाइक गोइंग टू बी हैवी, थर्मल, या फिर आप यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी बेस लेयर्स मिलती हैं, वो लो आप। एंड देन उसके बाद वेयर whatever outer layer that you will be wearing, and then a good winter jacket.
Right.
So gloves, mittens, toque, everything is anyways goes without saying in this weather, but wear good boots. And मैं आर्या के लिए गर्म पानी भर रही हूँ because it's nice to stay hydrated in this weather. So and I don't want to buy it from outside because यहाँ पे cold water बहुत मिलता है. So we always prefer taking hot water in her little thermos container here, so she can sip if she wants at any point.
Right. So as we have mentioned before कि लाइफ यहाँ स्टॉप तो होती नहीं, विंटर जितना मर्जी बैड हो, लेकिन हम इस वीडियो से आपको ये बताना चाहेंगे कि कैसे हाउ यू शुड ड्रेस अप इन दिस काइंड ऑफ अ वेदर। इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एज नेहा सेड टू ड्रेस अप इन लेयर्स। और कुछ लोग जो कि पीपल दे डोंट ड्रेस अप प्रॉपरली इन विंटर एंड देन दे जस्ट रन लाइक उनको लगता है गाड़ी में जाना है, एंड गाड़ी में जाना है, क्या जरूरत है जैकेट की, गाड़ी में जाना है सिर्फ एक हुडी पहनो निकल जाओ। नहीं गाइस, दिस winter if you stay out in cold for 15 minutes 10 minutes you can get a frostbite.
You can get a frostbite. You will end up having hypothermia. And the worst part that I learned, and I would like to share it with you. So guys, like what I have learned over a period of 10 years, यहाँ पे मुझे एक नई बीमारी हो गई है which is like Raynaud's syndrome. You can Google and check your hands and your feet toes goes white, like the tip of your toes and hands go white as soon as you get in touch with any cold temperature items. तो यहाँ तक कि मैं अपने फ्रिज में से भी कुछ निकालती हूँ तो थोड़ी देर के लिए मेरे फिंगर टिप्स व्हाइट हो जाते हैं. Sense in my fingers for few minutes, they kind of go numb and at the same time go white. Not that I was being careless at any point, I don't know, it just happened because over a period of time I leave it and it becomes fine. Not to scare anybody, but guys, do take care of yourself in this winter. That is my sincere advice. And don't end up having frost bites or hypothermia or any kind of winter problems. Right. So you might even end up having migraines or headache if you don't wear toque. Yeah. So I am taking my toque. I am not a big lover of toque because I feel मेरे बाल खराब हो जाते हैं, which is not right. So this time I have learned, and looking at the weather today, I will wear it.
So इसीलिए गाइज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ड्रेस एज पर दी वेदर, क्योंकि अगर चाहे आपने गाड़ी में से जाना है, हमने भी गाड़ी में से जाना है, गैराज के अंदर से जाना है, लेकिन स्टिल व्हाट इफ माय कार ब्रेक्स डाउन इन द विंटर.
Exactly. And then guys, don't depend on कि कोई आ जाएगा हेल्प करने. Somebody will come to your assistance. The roadside assistants are there, the towing companies are there, your friends and family is there.
But they can't make it in 15 minutes.
Exactly. Right. And you will, if you're stranded on a road or anywhere you are stuck, you definitely need to be dressed up properly. And if you go indoors or you are or somewhere where you can remove your layers and you will be fine, but if you don't have layers you will be in trouble. So our advice to you guys is dress properly.
So let's take you to Costco. ये देखिए guys, हम घर से निकले हैं and there is a rainbow. There is sun is this way and then there is a rainbow right there.
You are right. तो बस गाइज आ गए हैं कॉस्को, अब जा रहे हैं सामान लेने, देन आपको दिखाते हैं कि बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़। आइए, आपकी लेग्स आ रही हैं। Do you feel good?
So guys, this is the place where you should buy your vitamins, multivitamin.
So guys, multivitamins, and there's a lot of medicines that you should look at. You get big multi-packs.
Everybody knows Costco for like groceries, but if you want to buy medicines in bulk, like painkillers, like cold medications, multivitamins for kids, for whole family, for people who are 50 and above, this is the place you should buy, because the price is so good and the quantity, you can see it's so like huge.
It is so big. So
Yeah.
guys, it is worth buying from Costco if you get your over the counter
They
medicines.
have all kinds of multivitamins,
Yeah.
be it a B12 or fish oil or
Yeah.
everything. Like there's a B12 right there.
So this is the B12 medicine.
And this is 50 plus. So people who are 50 plus, you should take those ones. So another thing good at Costco is that over the counter you can get medications like for joint pain. So we bought this for my mom, and it really works good.
Yeah.
So you can either buy this brand or you can get a Kirkland brand, little bit cheaper, same coin called quality, but it's good for your joint.
So guys, this is very good for people if they have arthritis
Or
or
due to age, if there is a problem developing in the knees.
this really helps. We have taken this for our parents. It works great.
So this section of Costco nobody bothers to check actually, but you can get good deals on your cold medication
Absolutely.
and your painkillers and all.
Guys, you get multi-packs here for everything, like we said before. So it is very beneficial. Like you would see body lotions, and you can see there are a lot of hand creams. There is toothpaste multi-pack, toothbrushes multi-packs. So it is good for family if their consumption is more. So check this out.
Great place to buy toothbrushes.
Yes.
Multi-pack, $16 for like how many of those are? There are 8 of them.
Yeah.
Pack of 8.
So guys, again, lot of variety for baby stuff. Like there's diapers for somebody who wants diapers for their kids of all ages, and Kirkland brand. And of course there is lot of other stuff, like this is like lip balms and multi-packs, and then very good antiseptic cream, Polysporin. It is, I swear by it, it's very nice. And then again for your joint pains or muscle pains, Voltaren multi-pack. There are 3 in there, so very nice. Again, muscle and joint pain. So guys, they have great variety. And for people who are dieting, there's also ketos and other stuff. So
This section of Costco, but you can get good deals on medications, creams, personal hygiene,
absolutely.
and your dental hygiene and all
Yeah,
that.
oral hygiene as well.
Yeah.
So क्या लिया जा रहा है? ये नहीं लेना, रख दो.
अब आई है तो कुछ तो लेगी ना मम्मा.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं लेगी, रख दो.
ये बहुत. Okay, I'll get that to you, मम्मा. मम्मा, thank you, मम्मा.
मैंने कोई थैंक यू नहीं करा, ठीक है ना? तुमने मांगा ही नहीं मेरे से, पहले ही डिसाइड करा हुआ था दोनों ने. चलो यहाँ से अब जल्दी निकल लो, बहुत लाइन अप है. क्या है, दिखाओ तो सही सबको. बस यही है बस, और है क्या? आपने हमेशा यही लेना है. ये 2 तितलियाँ बना देते हैं हर जगह, एंड वी एंड अप स्पेंडिंग मनी. अब ये है क्या? कलरिंग एंड एक्टिविटी सेट. So guys, we are done. We came back. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी. It is bitter cold right now.
बहुत ठंड है, 2 मिनट भी नहीं खड़े हुए जा रहा. आज ठंड बहुत ज्यादा है.
2 सेकंड में your nostrils are freezing, your eyes can feel the coldness. So
these are those days when it gets really cold.
किसी ने एक बारी हमसे पूछा था कि कौन से महीने बहुत ज्यादा ठंड वाले होते हैं, तो वी कैन टेल यू दैट एनीवेयर फ्रॉम एंड ऑफ जनवरी, मिडल ऑफ जनवरी अप टू
Feb mid
और मे बी समटाइम्स फेब एंड, ये बहुत ज्यादा ठंडा होता है। बट -30 जो एक्सट्रीम बिलो -30 जाता है 10-12 दिन के लिए, जो कि आज से शुरू हो गया। somebody asked like what's the best time to land here? I think between March and October is the good time. Early you come so that you are prepared before the winter hits. You are prepared in terms of your clothing, in terms of your licensing, driver's license. If you have a car in a winter, it makes a huge difference.
So that's about it, guys. Hope you guys liked our vlog.
आपने देखा इसको गंदी बच्ची को फिर से कुछ मिल गया है, ये बाहर जाती है, ये खर्चा कराती है।
I don't know इसको क्यों मिलता है ये दोनों। मैं 2 मिनट के लिए गई हूँ इधर उधर and इसने डैडा को पटा लिया एंड गिफ्ट ले लिया, which is so bad.
चलें अब क्या करें जी, बच्चा आएगा तो कुछ तो लेगा ही।
Of course, yeah.
Okay,
डैडा की लाडली।
आपने देख लिया हमने कॉस्को में कैसे सिर्फ नॉट जस्ट ग्रोसरीज बट फार्मेसी डिपार्टमेंट जो मेडिसिन के लिए इज वेरी वेरी बेनिफिशियल इफ यू वांट टू बाय any sorts of medication from painkiller, fever reliever or
allergies, cold, cough, also for your arthritis if you have any arthritis.
Bulk packs with more number of tablets or capsules not available anywhere else but here at a very good price.
And multi-packs, and you would think, oh my god, you're spending $30, but guys, if you think about it and see the number of tablets or capsules in that in those bottles, and especially if you get multi-packs, like मैंने आपको कई ointments दिखाई थी Voltaren वगैरह, वो they are like 3 tubes of Voltarens in one pack and you're spending like about $18-20, and अगर आप single लेने जाओगे तो आपको $12 से $15 की मिलती है एक। So it is definitely किफायती है, it is very beneficial if you have consumption.
So now we are heading back to home, and this was our little vlog. We wanted to show you the other side of Costco as well.
Yes.
And stay tuned for our more videos. Thanks a lot for watching the one that we shot yesterday for the university series.
The university.
And somebody asked if there is no commerce programs. There are commerce programs. We showed you. We showed you Edward School of Business that has all the financing and accounting. They have an accounting 4-year accounting degree, business administration degrees. So you just have to go to their website, and there are. We might not have covered all the departments, but
it was huge. It was not even possible to cover every department. But definitely it's worth going on their website and checking out. They have undergrad program. They have graduation program.
So if you haven't watched that, I'll put a link in the I button. You can go and watch that series.
Absolutely. And guys, one more message that I want to give you is, you guys do Insta messages to us, which is great. However, I would say if you have a longer question or a bigger question, do it on our emails. That is more effective for us. We get time to email you back, and at the same time we guys can actually give you a proper answer. We guys are it's hard to actually give you a message on Insta messages because it's a messenger, and so it's hard to give back and forth such long explanations. So let's do email going forward if you have any questions, and we can take it as they come. So
okay, so thank you so much for watching,
and give it a big thumbs up if you like the video.
Please subscribe
and keep giving your motivation and love. Take care. Bye.